Well, good morning and welcome to Zen Fits here in Blackstone, Virginia, the center of the world. But then you too are at the center of the world. So, the title of this talk, I haven't even made up one yet. Wait a minute. The cosmic Christmas tree. Let's talk about that. There's one right there. It's small, fits on a little stand, and keep it in the attic. And so I've got my time here. And every year we bring it down, light it up, and it's already got the lights on it, so it's easy peasy. But this Christmas is such a deep ritual celebration. It seems to hold the year together. It seems that people want to make it come earlier. It's almost like Halloween now. As soon as Halloween's over, it's Merry Christmas, buy stuff. So this Christmas it comes forward in time on the calendar, but then right at Christmas it just drops off, boom. And then you got this dead zone between Christmas and New Year's. And then you got the cold January and the New Year and all of that, the birth of a new baby. So there's really two birthdays here. Christmas is the birth of the Christ child, and then on New Year's there's birth of the new year. So it's kind of like there's two realities here, two years. There's the Christian year, the birth of Jesus, the baby, the manger, the light, the new Christ year, the Christ light is born, and then you got the secular year with New Year's, with the one that everybody looks at on the calendar, and January, February, March, boom, 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 boom. We march through the year on these calendar years, you see. So there's like this two dimensions going on here. There's this Christmas year, which is anchored by the cosmic tree, the Christmas tree, the home tree, like an avatar. The Avatar, the Navi people in Avatar, were held together by this cosmic tree, the One. In Zen, always there's this one finger Zen. The One. What is the One? You see, the question. Well, what's the One? You got this right here. Which is the one? There's two. What is the one? Time glass. There's two. Everything comes in twos. What's the one? Well, when Christmas comes, you put up the tree, and the tree is the one. It's a sacrificial thing. You really, we look back at the Norman Rockwell thing, story, the American hometown. The nostalgia for Paradise and Time Lost, where the family goes out into the woods and cuts down the tree and brings the tree home on the car, or maybe in a carriage pulled by horses, and you put the tree up and the family decorates the tree and the kids go to sleep and they come up in the morning and the tree is all lit up and it's full of presents and all your wishes come true. This cornucopia spills out from under the tree. Of course, now we get the tree so early, by the time Christmas comes, it's a dead thing. Can't wait to get rid of it, But traditionally, it was like you decorated it on Christmas Eve, so that on Christmas morning, it was there, transformed, a magic tree, a cosmic tree, the One. We have the One, and every house had the One. Every house has to have a cosmic tree. Every house has to have a One, and it has to have a chimney. And down the chimney comes this fat little man in red and white. Blood on the snow. Blood on the snow, red and white. The sacrifice. The tree is a sacrificial tree. Oh, the Christmas. I'm so honored. All the little trees are in the forest. And the man comes with it, as a family comes with you. And every little tree, evergreen, is saying, choose me, choose me, choose me. And they all look, oh, I choose you. Oh, the little tree says, and it gets to be chopped down. It's so happy to be chosen, to become the one out of many, you see. And it's dressed up in lights, and it's dressed up like a sacrificial virgin, and it's got decorations on it, and it's got twinkles and snow and lights and angels on its head, you see, and all the little ornaments of the family's history, and everybody brings out their favorite little ornaments and their memories and the things that the grandmother gave them, and oh, this was given to me by my great-grandmother. We'll hang that on the tree. All these precious jewels, all these precious pearls, you see, draped on this goddess, this virgin tree that's going to be sacrificed now to rejuvenate and bring life back to this family, to renew the family, to restore the family, to make their life light up with presence and wonder, you see. Oh, this happy sacrifice, this happy tree, this happy tree. And see, with Christmas, the happy tree is the cross, with Jesus hanging from the cross and the resurrection, and everything is reborn. Everything is renewed. Life returns in the midst of winter. In the depth of winter, life returns, and you wake up, and life is wonderful again, and full of presence, and all your desires come true, you see. This renewal through the sacrifice of this little tree. In ancient times, and in Avatar, the society, the tribe, is restored and renewed by the one, the cosmic mountain, the cosmic tree. There has to be this one that is like a rock that never comes down, that you can hang your... Noah's Ark landed on a mountain, a cosmic mountain. This one. But you see, the modern world, the rational mind that began in the 16th century, wiped out all the myths, all the stories, all the fairies and unicorns, wiped them out. Pagan, wiped them out. The reality is real now. There are no Santa Clauses. Children believe in Santa, but grow up. Santa's dead, you see. So everything is kind of like symbolic now. And it's ritual. But there's a deep meaning to the Christmas tree, to finding the one. Where is the one? You see, where is the one that has no second? Well, we look for it ritually, we look for it symbolically, we have communion, we have all these rituals and everything, but these are just exterior symbols. They're really kind of empty. And a lot of people say, oh, bah humbug, it's all empty, it's all myth story, bah humbug. The Grinch that stole Christmas, you see. So there's this constant contradiction going on. But we miss the one. You see, we miss the one, the center of the world. See, the Christmas tree is a symbolic center of the world. So when I say at the beginning of my talk, I'm welcome from Blackstone, the center of the world, but then you too are at the center of the world. Well, this is a way of saying that you are the center of the world. You are that which has no second. You are the cosmic tree. You are the one. Each of us is the center of your world. So when you're listening to me right now, wherever you are, just pause for a moment and think that the world that you know is known because you're the center of it. You look around, there's the room around you, then keep expanding. You keep expanding this, like you drop a rock in a pond and the circle goes out. It goes out to your town, your city, your country, the hemisphere, the earth, everywhere you keep expanding. There's no end to this, you see. But where does it begin? With you. You are at the center of this world. So all of these Christmas trees and cosmic mountains and home trees are basically pointers, metaphors, pointing to that center that is you. You are the light of Christ, you see. You are the center. You are this awakening, this self-luminous light of your knowing. Your knowing is this light. You know it. I don't have to tell you that. You know it. Merry Christmas.